Cloud ERP is fast becoming a game changer for small and medium manufacturers looking to grow. They come with loads of features for scalability, AI, security, and tons of technology with the affordability to deploy very rapidly so you can start enjoying your return on investment within as little as 30 days. The manufacturing evolution, entering the cloud era. Manufacturing is tough, competition is fierce, margins are tight. To thrive, manufacturers need every advantage possible. Cloud-based software as a service, SaaS ERP systems offer a game-changing solution. Traditionally, manufacturers relied on expensive, on-premise enterprise resource planning, ERP systems. These legacy systems required significant upfront investment, ongoing maintenance, and specialized IT staff. Cloud SaaS ERP systems change the game. These systems are hosted on remote servers and accessed via the internet. This eliminates the need for expensive hardware, reduces IT burden, and offers unparalleled flexibility. Small-medium manufacturers particularly benefit from Cloud SaaS ERP. It provides access to sophisticated tools, previously only affordable for large corporations, leveling the playing field. Streamlined operations, efficiency at your fingertips. Cloud SaaS ERP systems. Streamline operations and boost efficiency for small-medium manufacturers. Real-time data access is a game changer. Imagine tracking inventory levels, production schedules, and sales orders from a single, centralized location. With Cloud SaaS ERP, this becomes a reality. This real-time visibility enables better decision-making, improved collaboration, and reduced lead times. Manual processes are minimized, reducing errors and freeing up valuable time. Cloud SaaS ERP systems integrate different departments, from the shop floor to the top floor. This fosters better communication, reduces silos, and improves overall operational efficiency. Cost-effective solutions, maximizing your resources. Cloud SaaS ERP systems offer significant cost advantages for small, medium manufacturers. Unlike traditional on-premise systems, there's no need for upfront investment in expensive hardware or software licenses. Instead, businesses pay a predictable monthly or annual subscription fee. This subscription model shifts CapEx to OpEx, making budgeting and cash flow management easier. Furthermore, Cloud SaaS ERP systems reduce the need for dedicated IT staff. Service provider handles maintenance, updates, and security, freeing up your internal resources to focus on core business activities. This cost-effectiveness allows small-medium manufacturers to access enterprise-grade technology at a fraction of the cost, maximizing their resources and improving their bottom line. Section 4. Enhance security, safeguarding your business. Data security is paramount in today's digital landscape. Cloud and SaaS ERP providers understand this and invest heavily in robust security measures. Data is stored on secure servers with multiple layers of protection, including firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and data encryption. Access is controlled through secure user authentication, ensuring that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. Furthermore, cloud and SaaS ERP providers comply with industry standard security certifications such as ISO 27001 and SOC 2, providing additional assurance that your data is in safe hands by leveraging the expertise and infrastructure of leading cloud and SaaS providers. Small and medium-sized manufacturers can enhance their security posture and protect their valuable data from cyber threats. Section 5. Disaster recovery and business continuity, shielding your operations. Disasters happen, whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or a cyber attack. Unexpected events can disrupt business operations and lead to costly downtime. Cloud and SaaS ERP systems offer robust disaster recovery and business continuity features. Data is backed up regularly and stored in geographically diverse locations. In the event of an outage, businesses can quickly and easily switch to the backup site, minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. This resilience is crucial for small and medium-sized manufacturers that cannot afford disruptions to their operations. With cloud and SaaS ERP, businesses can rest assured knowing that their data is safe and their operations are protected, even in the face of unforeseen circumstances. Section 6. Future-proofing your business, embracing the cloud advantage. The manufacturing landscape is evolving rapidly, driven by technological advancements, changing customer demands, and increased global competition. Cloud and SaaS ERP systems provide small and medium-sized manufacturers with the agility and flexibility to adapt to these changes and stay ahead of the curve. They offer a platform for innovation, enabling businesses to embrace new technologies and optimize their processes as Industry 4.0 technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things, become more prevalent. Cloud and SaaS ERP systems will play a crucial role in integrating and leveraging these technologies. By embracing cloud and SaaS ERP, small and medium-sized manufacturers can future-proof their businesses, positioning themselves for continued growth and success in the years to come. Section 7. Conclusion. The future is now. Embrace the cloud revolution. The future of manufacturing is in the cloud. Cloud and SaaS ERP systems offer small and medium-sized manufacturers a powerful solution to overcome challenges, optimize operations, and thrive in the digital age. By embracing the cloud, small and medium-sized manufacturers can level the playing field, enhance their competitiveness, and unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. The time to act is now. The cloud revolution is here, and those who embrace it will be best positioned to succeed in the years to come. Cloud SaaS models are truly the next wave of the future. Real-time, anytime data enables manufacturers to more efficiently and effectively manage their day-to-day production. It also allows them to expand geographically without losing any visibility into their operations. Manufacturers who have adopted SaaS are able to conserve capital, become more competitive, and better meet customer expectations, all while avoiding the hassles of systems maintenance and backups. These are the main reasons cloud SaaS systems are quickly becoming the preferred choice for manufacturers. I'm Hainel Rose of ER Technologies. Give us a like and subscribe, and leave us a comment too, as this will help our channel to grow. Book a call with us, and my team and I will assist you with your ERP selection, implementation, service, and upgrades with your ERP journey for successful outcomes. You will find the link below. Until next time, see you in the next video.